Welcome back, Patriot Contrapts here. Today we're checking out my custom Demolisher. Now the reason I went with a Demolisher instead of like a Rapid Strike or a Stampede again is because I had it on hand. I've had this thing sitting around for a couple of years actually, and I didn't really know what to do with it. So after coming back from some games that are out of town and realizing flywheels cycle bad darts a lot better than Stampedes, I figured why not build myself a flywheel blaster. So this is what I came up with. As you can see, cosmetically it's still orange and stock colors. However, the reason for that is I have a couple clubs that are a little picky now about what type of colors you have on your blasters. So that's why I left it stock. On the front, we have a obvious add-on. This is the bottom of a Rapid Strike right here. And that's just the battery tray section, so I can put an 11-1 LiPo right up front here. Then on the side, I have a switch. The reason for the switch is to control the voltage coming from the 11-1 LiPo. Now in the back position, this is my normal running position. This allows me to have 8 volts going to the motors. That's about as much as they can handle revved up for a long period of time. So what I do is when I need that quick rev up, I flip forward, it goes to the 11-1 setting. Then I'm able to, say I'm sneaking up on a guy, rev up real fast, shoot off those few rounds, and then move back into the regular mode where I can maintain rev up for a long period of time without worrying about burning out the motors. So that's pretty much the major mods to this, other than adding the flashlight on top. I did actually leave off the little click-in part down here to hold the grip better. The grip is just really handy because I like to play a lot of CQB. And then down here I've got my sling. Reason for the sling is I found on this blaster, surprisingly, normally I don't run a sling, it just hangs right there and you don't even notice it. So really nice to have the 1-point sling on the hand grip. But other than that, it's a great blaster. I love running. Now we're going to switch over. Right, there we go. Good to go.